In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a key fob problem on your Chevy Malibu. Now this is a later, or rather an older model Chevy Malibu. This is a 2012, but it doesn't matter if you have a 2020, 21, 22, or even earlier or later than that. As long as the Chevy Malibu has a key fob, I'll help you fix the problem. So as you can see right here, I can lock it just fine, and then I can actually do the trunk as well, but it will not unlock. Now you want to make sure, of course, that your fuse is still good for the locks, but most likely if you're able to do one or the other, it's not the fuse, but you do want to double check it. And next thing I want you to do is to replace, if it's been at least 6 months to a year, replace the key fob battery that's inside, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. And after that, what we're going to do is we're going to troubleshoot and fix the key fob to where it'll unlock. I'll show you that here in a minute. Okay, now that we got our key fob here, we're going to go ahead and do a couple of things to troubleshoot it. So again, this is a later model. This is a 2012 Chevy Malibu key fob, but again, it doesn't matter if you have a newer or a later model. So go ahead and get your key fob, and what we're going to do is take it apart to expose the little battery that's inside. And the only thing you're going to need is like a credit card or a precision screwdriver. That's what I have, like this, a flathead, or you can use like a dime. And there's going to be a little seam here, and again, it doesn't matter if it's the older version or the newer versions. What you want to do is take this apart. There might be a little lip here, look for that. And what you want to do is gently go in between the two seams, and be careful that you don't jam the circuit board on the key fob, because if you do, you can damage it, and that would not be good. And so when you're able to get in, you want to twist, regardless if it's a credit card, dime, or screwdriver, and that will expose the battery right here. And this one, as you can see, is slightly damaged, but the battery will go like this with the Energizer label straight up. So the first thing I want you to do is replace the battery if you haven't done it in a while. As you can see here, the majority of key fob batteries use the 2032 model, but look on your battery on your key fob and see what model number is on there. That's the one you want to get on Amazon or eBay. So this is a 2032. Go ahead and take the battery out, regardless if you want to replace it or not. And this is like the little circuit board. And to replace the battery, you just put it back in, label, Energizer label straight up, and that will like clip in there, like that. Now, go ahead and remove the circuit board. Now we're going to try, if you verify the battery is good, because what happens is sometimes one of the batteries will work and one will work, and that might be the issue. But if you put a new battery in there and you're still getting the issue with it not unlocking, what we're going to do is do a little trick. We're going to remove the circuit board from the actual plastic part right here, and I want to take my credit card or my little flathead and pull up, but be very gentle when you do this. Exposes that right there. Now locate which button's not working. So it's actually my unlock button right here that's not working. So it's this one. So what you want to do is you want to get a little piece of tinfoil, and we're going to cut to fit right in there. And we'll place it right in here. You don't have to glue it or tape it or anything. Okay, like that. And then go ahead and put the circuit board back in, nice and gently. And then put the battery back in. As you can see, mine's damaged, but I ordered one from Amazon. You can get the shell, not the circuit board, but the front and the back of your
KeyFob case, you can get it for like $7 or $8 on Amazon or eBay. Just look for your model number, and then if you got like a damaged case, and I'll put a link in the description where you can get it. So what happens is that tin foil, aluminum foil, will make a better flush connection. Okay, let's go try it.
All right, let's see if it works. Okay, here's the lock, and then the unlock, which is what I was having problems with. Perfect. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.